Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. Today I'm in Dollar General and I'm taking you with me. Let's go shopping. So today I'm beating the heat and I am browsing at Dollar General and I'm going to bring you with me. I was finding so many cute patriotic things right at the front of the store, from different signs to wreaths, and down here some table linens. These are actually little placemats for $3 in fabric. They come in the blue and white stripe and the red and white. Those are great for doubling for Christmas. They also have some really cute melamine dishes, and things that are green dot are on sale, so you may want to head in, check out your local store. They also have lots of pillows to choose from. I think this one with the sunflowers could double for fall, and it's only priced at $12. So I think that's a great buy. Up here they have a few little tabletop pieces. These are great. They have little kickstands and they are only $3.50. These would be great added into a wreath as well. Now I'm headed to the back of the store where they keep the majority of their decor, things from rugs and blankets, pillows, and decor. I thought that this throw was so pretty. I love the modern print on it. They have a lot to choose from. Things that look a lot more high end than you would expect at a Dollar General, including this really beautiful quilted blanket for $15. They also have these pillows for $15, and I love all the texture on them. They also had zippers, which is a must to me for pillows. So keep your eye out for those higher end looking pieces. When you hit Dollar General, they are definitely there. You just have to look for them. Down here I was finding lots of basket options. I thought that this is really a pretty piece. This would be great for any season, but especially fall, filled with pumpkins, pine cones, and all fall things. I do love their baskets, and they are so affordable, whether you're putting together a gift basket or you just need some storage. Dollar General is a great place to find them at affordable prices. They also have some more modern wire options like these, and they always come in staggered sizes, priced from anywhere $6, $5, $4, all the way up to $12. Now I know that dorm season is right around the corner and lots of students are going to be looking for storage as well as wall decor, and Dollar General is a great place to find it. They have everything from magazine racks to little decorative shelves and things for the bathroom and organization. I love these. These are so high-end looking for $4 to $5 with the lids included. They also come in a white option, and I love the many uses for these that you could do on your beauty vanity bathroom area or even just to stay organized. They also have some small mirrors, but a must buy, at least look at Dollar General, are both their lamps and their clocks. This one is huge. It's $18. They also have this smaller option, much more modern with the wooden base. It comes in the black, the yellow, and the white, and it's only $10. I love that. I think it is a really cute decorative piece for an affordable price. They also have lamps with shades in varying sizes and prices. The most expensive one that I found was $25. There are quite a few for $15, and you just cannot beat that price. Here's one for $14 that includes both the lamp and the shade. They also have some gorgeous decorative pieces, things that they have out year round, like these candlesticks. And they really do have something for every style, from the more modern metal and glass to a ton of wooden options. And these are so affordable. The most expensive ones I was finding were $12. This one was only $10. They also have this that I think has a very fall vibe to it. Super affordable little vase full of some pampas grass for just $12. They also have a really cute little cutting board charcuterie setup for $12, and these lanterns are so well done for $20. This large one is going to beat prices you can find anywhere. It comes in smaller sizes as well. Up top I was finding a few more modern home decor pieces. Now this one didn't have a price on it, but I'm telling you, if it's a Dollar General, it's going to be affordable. They also have some round trays that caught my eye. They come in two sizes. The smaller is 8, the larger is 10. And down here I found a few more really affordable large decorative pieces. So they do have some prints that have some jute cording, but this caught my eye for $10. Are you kidding me? It is a marquee board and it is round and black, so modern. I also really adore this little picture for $8. There are so many fun mugs and kitchen essentials over here on this wall. I think these are great buys. I love this napkin holder. It does come with the embossed little weight on top so that your napkins don't blow away. I wish I could find it in other colors, but yes, you guys, they're starting to put out fall. I'm going to show you guys another area here in a second where they're just starting to put them out. So I did find these super cute little fall pumpkin soup mugs. They do have the little toppers. They also have sets of coasters for $6. I love the black and white stripe. I actually own these salt and pepper shakers. They get used on a daily basis in my home, and these pieces that would be great for decorating any space, especially a dorm. Now they're really lightweight, so you could use Velcro command strips to hang them. You could also get a couple of handles, attach them on each end, and you'd have a really cool looking little tray. They also have some fun modern pieces like this one for $8, and then some gorgeous vessels and vases. So this one I think you could find in any high-end looking store or here at Dollar General for much more affordable prices. Now here is a look of where they're starting to put out fall. They just have a couple little things, so nothing too alarming. I know it's too early for many of you, but I did find some cute little signs to share with you for $5. And then so they're actually transitioning this whole garden summer section into where they're going to have fall. And this is gorgeous. It is a $10 galvanized metal bucket. I think this would be great on a porch filled with some greenery or some pumpkins. They have some smaller options over here for $3 in the truck or $1 in the smaller one. They still have out some summer things, but this is definitely where they're trying to clearance out to put all of their fall decor out. And they're also clearancing out their whole farmhouse collection right now. So I'm going to head down that aisle next and show you guys. They have these adorable shelves. So they had 2 different sizes. The smaller one was $8 and this larger one is $10. Now they could nest into each other. You could use these on a shelf and just use them to collect cookbooks or anything. Super cute. I love those. And this came home with me. It's just a really fun little wreath. I thought this would be great for fall. It was $6. They also have some in greenery that would be great for Christmas. I love jars and canisters. It's kind of a problem. This one is gorgeous. It is very good size for $10. I love this wooden lid, and these are much bigger than the ones you would find at other discount retailers. They also have this one that's really tall. I think this would be beautiful in a bathroom filled with Epsom salts, some decorative soaps. They also have this very large one for $10, a wooden hanging shelf, but this jar is just so unique. Only $6. It should have come home with me. I don't know how I escaped getting out of there without it. Now here is some of their farmhouse decor that they are putting on sale. Now I'm actually going to move these because these go over here. Are you like me? Do you clean up as you shop? Because I just have got to put things in their place when I see them out of place. Over here they have some really fun sort of mod looking vases for $8. Black and yellow on those, and then some really nice dining dishes for just $1 a piece. So this was the bowl. They had the plates. I think the plates might have been $2. Plenty of salt and pepper shakers, little spice jars, and a spoon rest for $5. Like I said, the green dots, these are all going to be on sale. That little plant came home with me too because I saw it after the fact and thought, you need to come home with me. There are quite a few other things that I wanted to bring home, but I just need to kind of keep a cap on what I'm actually bringing home. Now this one I did consider. I think it is beautiful. It is a tea canister. I was looking, I didn't see any in coffee or anything else, but I thought that was beautiful for $8. They also have some really nice modern taper candle holders for $5. They have a set of shelves down here for $20. And then these bowls that almost came home with me, but they're not dishwasher safe. They are $4. I think these would be great for serving. If you're a hand washer, you may want to check those out. Now over here, I found some really great deals on these collage frames. Look at that price, $15. It is so beautiful. It doesn't look cheap or plasticky. It comes in the black as well as the white. They have a lot of large decor pieces actually, including this where you can get a set of 9 matted frames for $25. And if you're looking for a set of mirrors, look no further than Dollar General where you can get a set for $25, although make sure yours isn't broken like that black one. They also have this, which would be fun to display some family photos for $20. And they always have a really good mirror, especially look at these prices, $6 for these. So keep your eye on Dollar General, whether you're looking for some home decor, whether you're decorating a dorm coming up around the corner here. They've got some great high-end looking pieces at really affordable prices. This vase almost came home with me. It was in my cart for $10. This is also a really fun modern trivet, and I'd never seen anything like it for $8. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Dollar General to look around and see what they've got out. Tons of affordable decor pieces, and we'll be back soon because it looks like fall will be here before we know it. Thank you so much for shopping with me, and I'll see you back very soon.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love?